Yo, 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 what it do, y'all? Coach Carter here with GIADO Training and GIADO Fitness today. I got one of my favorite clients, Paige. She's in here kicking butt right now. We're about halfway through her workout. And she's gonna introduce herself, tell you guys a little bit about herself and her fitness goals.
Cool. Hey guys, I'm Paige, I'm from Colorado. I've been working out with Coach for about 2 months now. I walked up to him and told him I needed help getting back to the gym, staying accountable towards myself, towards my body, towards my mind. And he's great. He's an amazing coach, but more importantly, he's been helping my mental game. And that could be your biggest weakness or your biggest strength is your mentality. So good luck, guys. Stay healthy, stay fit.
Before we go, y'all, I love what Paige says. God is so real. We pray before the workout, and it's like God pointed something out to me just now. Paige pointed out mental. She doesn't really need any help with the physical. I'm just guiding her. She already has the energy and she's a beast on her own. But sometimes you need someone just to help you get through. And I'm just thankful just to help her spiritually and mentally, guys. So here at GIADO Training and GIADO Fitness, we're not just working out the physical. We're working out the spiritual and the mind, baby. Because if you don't have them things intact, you're not ever gonna get your life together. Right, Paige?
Exactly.
Appreciate you pointing that out, mama. All right, y'all, we out. All right, hey y'all, Coach Carter right here, GIADO Fitness. What we're doing right now, we're playing our dice game. What Paige is gonna do, she's gonna roll both dice. Whatever it lands on, we're gonna knock it out real quick, okay? And she can probably add either a medicine ball, kettlebell, or maybe a stretch band, depending on what it lands on, right?
Cool.
Let's get it.
All
This
right.
is my favorite part.
We have 15 straight leg jackknives.
Okay. So we got 15 straight leg jackknives, guys.
10 jumps.
10x jumps. So you wanna knock out the 10x jumps first?
So just the ones?
And you're going out to the X, so I can jump that jack.
Oh, 10x jumps, okay.
There you go. There you go. Push, breathe. So guys, she's jumping up into an X. You can see here, she's jumping up into an X. She got 10 of them. You remember the 15 straight leg jackknives?
No.
So all you're doing is you're around, guys, and you're turning yourself into a jackknife. So you're coming from here, and you're coming up, and you're meeting your shins. If you want to, you go no weights. If you want to do the light lift small, you can. Push. Yep, so bring your stomach up and your legs up too as well. Meet them there together. There you go. Bring your legs up higher. Straight leg. Yeah, push, breathe. Push, breathe. So you turn yourself into a jackknife, guys. It's tough. You know how the jackknives close like that? It hurts too. Good job. So she has 2 rounds in this, y'all. So you want me to roll? Or you want to roll?
Yeah.
Alright, so she got 1 more round. Just give me your elbows. 15 of those. So take your elbows. One more round. She's doing floor dips, guys. So it landed on 15 floor dips. So she didn't need any bench or anything. She's just doing floor dips. Drop your butt, use your elbows. The next ones, she landed on with Sumo Squats. So grab one of those light kettlebells. You go there, you go there like this. No, you won't handle.
The one handle?
And then I'll let you put on the stretch band for resistance on your legs. So guys, she's doing 10 sumo squats. So if you remember what she's gonna do, she's gonna take her legs out. If y'all remember the sumo, it's like a sumo wrestler. And you hold that right there. If you look at her, she's gonna hold the sumo squat with the resistance bands. You take it around for me, mama. Perfect. So these are sumo squats, guys. Got the stretch band on her for resistance to burn her legs more, and the kettlebell just to challenge her with weight as she squats. Push, breathe, good job. Hey y'all, Coach Carter back with Paige. This is the last part of our segment today. So we went from cardio, stretching, Carter random to dice game, and she's finishing off with the weight segment, okay? So she's a female. I'm not knocking and disrespecting any lady when I say this, But some women that need help on the upper body have to understand that they start light and go up heavy, okay? So she has some 5-pound dumbbells in her hands, and what we're gonna start off with, we're gonna do 2 side arm raises. So let's go 10, push, breathe. Women, my boys asked me the other day, women that are afraid to get bulky and swole, but they want to work on their upper body. Paige, you were on your upper body with about a month and a half, 2.
Yeah.
You haven't seen a huge muscle expansion, right? But you've seen you've seen a strength change. You've gotten stronger, correct? But you haven't got swole. So it's the difference, guys. You can strengthen your arms and upper body without getting big, okay? So lightweight, more reps. Let's go front arm raises. Just 10. Push, breathe, good job. I'm gonna give y'all something real here next, and you're almost done. You know, put them in the rest real quick. Put them in the rest real quick. If you want to hold them, you can. You want to put them in, or you good? Good? She's like, I'm good. Y'all see a piece. Alright, so let's go. Let's do some. You got more? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you got 5 more? Okay, go. My fault. Push, breathe. Because your focus is what? Upper body, core, right? So these are push-up snatches, guys. Push-up snatches. Got both arms snatching, back down into a push-up, breathe.